Recently, major platforms have begun to attract investment for dramas in the film and television industry, and put a lot of film flowers. Ancient puppet dramas are still the focus of attention, and there are many problems. The familiar Chao Shiu dubbing, the actor who plays the ancient puppet still can't open his mouth, the familiar plot lines, such as deep love and shallow relationship, I've paid you back, we don't owe each other, etc., is it a fairy? Love is such a little thing, and the audience is used to the funeral style of fuhuatao, so why even the wedding dresses for big weddings also follow the funeral style? Is a white wedding dress okay? Moreover, there are many cases of this. Hu Minghao and Zhou also starred in Heart Protection, which is very similar to Xiangmi. There is also Stars Falling into Sugar starring Li Randi and Chen Xingshu. The hairstyles of the male and female protagonists are the same as above, but the shape and clothes of the hair crown have been changed. It is also starring Yang Zi, and the male protagonist is Cheng Yi's Agarwood as Light Crumbs. When the wedding look was released, netizens said that it was very similar to the look of Xiangmi, and the stylist was really lazy. In the wedding look of Scented Honey, Yang Zi's hair is still combed, so she is considered a woman. Today's wedding dresses are all disheveled, and female characters just have their hair disheveled and all kinds of gorgeous hair crowns, and they are no longer up. Male characters also have loose hair, with a bun on the head, plus various crowns, all of which are one way. The wedding dresses in our previous costume dramas were all red and festive colors, or there were red and green wedding dresses in history. When did white wedding dresses become popular? In fact, in Xiangmi, there are 3 sets of wedding dresses: white represents the heaven, red represents the human world, and black represents the demon world. It is reasonable to use colors to distinguish the scenes. It may be that the design of this white wedding dress was brilliant, and it was used as inspiration for later ancient puppet dramas.